Hey, Wazy Scene, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at what the performance was for February on Darwinex. So we just jump straight into it. Alright, so the month was more or less a bit of a rough month. We did end off positive, finishing with a rating of 79.90. But it was a bit up and down. So let me refresh the page here and then we could take a look at what actually happened. So you can see here at the moment we are at 8.83%. Now this is because we have some ongoing trades, but those will be counted for March, right? If we look at the end of February, we finished the month at 2.74% positive, which is not bad, but it was better. We ended up having this period of drawdown here. I think in total it was a bit about 2% drawdown, almost 2% drawdown. So, but for the month we did have a spike down here that was a total of 6.35%. So as you can see right here, we have a 6.35% drawdown, but our current standing is 9.16% gain on the account. Right. For the month of March, the rating, because we have the ongoing trades, we are at 72.96. But it did reset, if I recall correctly, it did reset at about 73 or 74. And I'm guessing that was because of the gain on the account and the drawdown itself. So we did drop a couple positions, well, about 100 positions because of that drawdown, but we still managed to secure the allocation, bringing us up to 55 right now. If we look at the Darwin IA and we check my Darwin, so you can see this is how we ended the month right here and secured the 30k allocation. So we have the 25 and we have the 30, and then well, currently we would be trying to push to see what we could get for the month of March. Now, based on where we are at, I've been thinking about how I want to approach trading for this month. If we pull up the rating calculator right here, we zero this out. Based on the current drawdown and the return on the account so far, if we aim for about 1%, it would secure another 30k. If however we do about 2%, it would be about 40. So I would be happy with anywhere within the range of 1 to 2k, 1 to 2%. If we do get anything higher than that, like say 1.5, you know, that is 60k. So I mean, it would be good, but at the moment right now is just trying to maintain where we are and slowly add to the overall return of the account and trying not to increase the drawdown. So that way the allocation will, you know, constantly grow over time, and you know, we build the account that way. So with that being said, I mean, yeah, this is where we are. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment below. If you want to start trading with Darwinex, you could use the coupon code below. You could see TWJ20 and you would get 20% off of the sign up. Now I know I did have the 10 euro sign up, but unfortunately that has expired. So you know, 21% is the best I can give you right now. So check the link below or use the coupon code TWJ20. Let me know what your Darwin is if you get started, and we could take a look at that. So I'll see you guys in the next video.